Hi everyone, welcome po to my channel. This is Chris Morta po from Toyota Labang, and today we have the Toyota RAV4 LTD all-wheel drive hybrid po na sasakyan. So let's do a quick walk around lang din po kung ano bang ino-offer ng ating 6th generation RAV4 hybrid na all-wheel. So starting from the front pasta po niya is napaka-stylish po niya at elegante din po. We have our honeycomb grill design, harapan. We have our full LED headlights din po. Same goes sa ating front lamps. And then malaki po yung kanyang wheels. So around 18-inch din po. Brake system po niya is harap likod is naka-disc brake. If you notice din po, maganda rin po yung kanyang ground clearance po ha. Nasa 201 mm din po. Yan, around 8 point something inches din po above the ground. So this is a 2.5 4-cylinder engine plus the electric po that support hybrid. So malakas, same time din po, very efficient po siya. So the Department of Energy conduct tests about the fuel efficiency of this unit, and the RAV4 po is naka-score po siya ng 19.6 km per liter. So ayan, di ba? Hindi ko kayo mag-worry kung nagmumumog ba ito ng gas. Hindi po. So, may enjoy niyo po ang sasakyan na ito kahit daily commute po ito. Kagandahan with the hybrid po, it's wala kayong coding incentive po kayo kahit pang daily niyo po siya, walang problema. Magandang fuel efficiency din po, tahimik ang ride at napakaganda ng kanyang interior din po mamaya. Nakikita na ang ating headlight. By the way guys, meron tong high beam assist. So automatically siya nag-high and low. So ito naman sa driver side area din po. Siyempre, full loaded na rin po ito. Meron po itong mga safety features tulad ng blind spot monitoring. We have the Toyota Safety Sense din po, brake collision braking, lane departure, lane keep, etc. So, Toyota RAV4 LTD comes also with a 360 camera and blind spot monitor po na nakikita natin dito. Camera niya, naman. So, this is our interior of our LTD. Mineral color po siya. So, neutral color po, gray and black. So, door panel po. Memory seat ang meron tayo. And sa ating mga power windows din po. This is the interior po of the RAV4 LTD. Leather with ventilation and heater din po ito. Naka-electronic po siya. 8-way po yung adjustment po ng driver side. We have our steering wheel din po. We have controls like the MID, our cruise control. Ang ating toggle po for the wipers and ating ilaw. We have the full digital multi-information display. And also, meron din itong heads-up display na nag-appear dito to your windscreen. Malaki po ang ating infotainment display with wireless auto and Android card. Ito yung layout naman din po. Siyempre ito ay push start. Driving mode, multi-trail mode. So meron tayong trail, slow, and normal din. Dual wireless charger. This is a eCVT and tayo niya po type is a shift by wire. Press lang button for the park and then up for the reverse, down naman for the drive. We have our auto hold as well. And this is our center or armrest natin na nagiging table. This is a table type din po. Then, pwede yan siya parang sa Land Cruiser din po. Flip nyo lang po. Yan. There. Okay. Armrest na siya. So, gray color, black, yan. We have our panoramic sunroof. So, na-open din to guys. So, yung kalahati. Pwedeng tilt, fully open din. Audio system. This one has a 9 JBL speaker po. So, expect nyo na po na quality po ang audio system ninyo when you play your Spotify. So, dako naman tayo sa ating passenger side. Yan. So, this is our passenger side. Medyo nakatras lang po si driver, pero very spacious po ito. Yan. 60-40, pwede nyo tumble. With armrest naman din po and cup holders. They have their own chargers. You can also control their ventilation and heater, and they have the AC vents. So, ganito naman din, you're also going to enjoy ang panoramic sunroof naman din po if you're cruising going to Baguio or kung saan man po. Yan. We have our full tank capacity is around 55 liters din po. So continuous lang po ang inyong biyahe. Wala kayong isiping mga charging port din po if you're using a full hybrid. So we have our LED, full tail light din po, brake lights, reverse light, etc. po. We also have sensors din po sa likod. Chrome logo of RAV4 and naka-blackout po yung kanyang Toyota. HEV logo or hybrid electric vehicle and E4 kasi ang sasakyan to or ang powertrain ng sasakyan na to is an all-wheel drive system. Kaya kanina, pinakita ko po na meron siyang multi-terrain po na mode. Tulad ng trail snow, at wala may snow po or muddy po, pwede yan. And normal. And we have 12 volts. So let's say gusto nila mag-charge po while camping. Kasama siyang spare tire per donut po. Yung size niya po, hindi siya same size o lapad ng stock tire. Pero yung wheel size niya po is around 18 din. Again, ulitin ko lang po, naka JBL speakers po siya. Siyam po in total. So, ito yung pang siyam. Okay? This is our button for our power tailgate din po. May kick sensor to guys. So, pag nasa yung susi, gagana siya. So, ito, yung rear look po ng ating RAV4 LTD variant. Suspension type po ng ating sasakyan sa likod naka-multi-link po siya. Again, ulitin ko lang, brake system din po nito. Disc brake po sa likod, disc brake din po sa harapan. Suspension type, naka-MacPherson din po siya. So personally, na-drive ko na po yung sasakyan. Very comfy siya, napaka-solid po ng build ng sasakyan na to. Sobrang quality. So, magkano ang price? So, price po or SRP po ng ating Toyota RAV4 LTD is around 2,499,000. At meron itong if you have question po about the RAV4 LTD, feel free mag-leave lang kayo ng comment down or pwede nyo po akong tawagin to my number. Kung meron pa kayong ibang inquiries po or quotation po, if you're planning to get in-house financing po, magbibigay ako ng sample quotation sa inyo. I'll help you po step by step from application all the way sa vehicle release natin po. So, maraming salamat po again for watching this video and see you on my next one din po. Ito po ulit, si Chris Morta po from Toyota Labang, your marketing professional po. Maraming salamat at see you po on the next video. Bangan niyo po yung Toyota RAV4 na ADB model po. Walk around din po tayo doon. Maraming salamat po. Paalam!